Here's a view of the brooder inside the new coop. The coop is a corner of my shed, built in, closed in. And I just rolled that brooder in there. It'll be in there for a few weeks.
What are you videotaping?
The chicken run will come out. Forgive my mess here. On the back side of this, I'm going to put a chicken door down here and build a run along the back side of the shed. That'll
We
give
don't
them.
put chicken door right here?
Yeah, there's going to be a chicken door there.
Well then, what the chickens on down at?
They're going to come out a little door right there where that blue barrel is.
Come out right there?
Yeah.